What if I told you that you don't need a gym, fancy machines, or heavy weights to build serious muscle? Just your body and the right 6 exercises. Most people overcomplicate fitness. They jump from workout to workout, chasing trends, yet see no real results. The truth is simple: muscle grows when you train smart, not when you train complicated. Today, I'm showing you 6 powerful bodyweight exercises that activate multiple muscle groups at once. These moves are proven, effective, and can be done anywhere, anytime, right from your home. First, we start with push-ups, a full upper body builder that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Next comes bodyweight squats, the king of lower body strength, hitting your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Then we move into planks, one of the best exercises for building a strong, stable core. After that, lunges to improve balance, leg strength, and muscle symmetry. Fifth is mountain climbers, combining fat-burning cardio with core engagement. And finally, glute bridges, an underrated move that strengthens your hips, glutes, and lower back. Perform these exercises consistently, focus on proper form, and progressively challenge yourself, and you will see real muscle growth. No excuses, no equipment, no gym, just commitment, discipline, and results. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to set the bell icon on all, so you never miss a new motivational video.